Hi, I'm Christine Goodwin with the Jan Ritchie team, and I can't wait to show you this beautiful one-story home located here at 6733 Waterway Court in Plano. Come on, let's go take a look. Located in the highly sought-after Hills of Prestonwood community, this home is just minutes from the prestigious Prestonwood Country Club. Hardwood and tile floors run throughout the home, complemented by classic wood shutters. The kitchen opens seamlessly to the living room area and features a large breakfast bar, stainless steel appliances, and a generous countertop space. The light-filled primary suite offers a private retreat with an en-suite bathroom featuring dual vanities, a jetted tub, a glass-enclosed shower, and a walk-in closet. The home is conveniently located near shopping, dining, top-rated Plano ISD schools, and the North Dallas Tollway. Out back, you'll find a private backyard retreat with a beautifully remodeled pool and spa, upgraded to a saltwater system. This home is perfect for relaxing and entertaining. Thank you for touring 6733 Waterway Court in Plano. This home offers both comfort and lifestyle. For more information, give me a call. I'm Christine Goodwin with the Jan Ritchie team, and I'll see you on our next home tour.